Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we got to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. For those of you that have been tuning in every day, every week, I salute you. Thank you so much. Cheers to you all. And of course, for those of you as well that have been delegating your ADA to the DEGA 1 ISPO, congratulations. We're hitting new milestones, and quite frankly, I think we only have about 10 to 15 epochs left. So there's still time. You're going to be late to the party, but being late isn't too bad, especially if, you've already been drinking and you're on your way and you're having some fun. So, before we get started, I want you to like and subscribe. You're going to get more content. You're going to get, more access to the moose. And in return, you're going to learn how to get loose, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a DEGA rewards update. I believe we're at 45,000 tokens, just under. So I'm going to share with you what we're at now. So this is the current market cap, 1.33 trillion based on coin market cap. And we are November 7th, 2023. Just for reference. And again, we are November 7th, 2023. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to dega.org. Okay. So for those of you that haven't done so yet, we do have other videos and we'll go over that later on as well. So if you go to the channel, type in DEGA. So if you want to learn how to delegate, you have to do it now. Watch this video with the red thumbnail. This will teach you step by step how to participate in the ISPO. What this is a the first ever multi-chain ISPO. So even if you have DOT or I believe the next one's going to be Matic, then you can earn some DEGA as well. But what an ISPO is an initial stake pool offering. Instead of delegating and earning a bit of the new Cardano as rewards, you're going to earn DEGA for your reward. So that will be claimable in the form of an airdrop, or you claim it on the website. I don't know what that's going to be yet. So for those of you that ask, how are we getting our rewards? I do not know yet. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So if you've been delegating to the DEGA 1 ISPO, go to dega.org. Then go up here to the top right, rewards dashboard. That will bring you to this page. And I've already got all my stake keys here, so you can see all the beautiful wallets that we are delegating with. So I've already done the calculation just to save some time. And if we add up all of my ADA that I've been delegating with, I'm thinking it's around 30,000 ADA. And with the NFTs and everything else, we've accumulated 47,226 DEGA. So we are close. I'm thinking we might hit it. We might hit it next epoch. So 5 days. What is that? The 12th of November. So yeah, we'll be at like 55, maybe even 60,000 DEGA by the end of this. So I've been talking about it for a while. The goal was to get 50,000 DEGA. I don't know what the price will be, but it doesn't matter. I'm bullish on the team. I like everybody that's involved. And we're going to go over a couple of other things as well. So all you're going to do is put in your stake key. If you want to know how to do it, check out these other tutorials. Which one would be best for that? Probably, how to view rewards. Check out this video. So there are tons of videos. In fact, we're at 350 now. So if you want to learn how to buy Hex, if you want to learn about, if you want to get my thoughts on which cryptos I think are going to do well next bull run, we've got all that and coming in more. So it's going to be really cool down the road. So what I want to do is invite you all as well to go on Twitter and follow DEGA. So it's at DEGA_org. And, you can check out the website, learn more about the project. So they're really helping out the metaverse and gaming projects. They have tools in order for these projects to build and prosper. And they've been doing all these talks. So here's something I just haven't listened to. I just really didn't have the time today. But there's a lot going on, so definitely check that out. And if you want to learn more about cryptos and NFTs, guys, just subscribe. It's very easy to do. And we also have a free Cardano mini course, so check out the link tree. We've got our free ADA mini course. All you got to do is put in your email. You get access to a workbook, downloadable files. You learn ADA in 60 minutes, everything you need to know about Cardano. And we also have other online courses as well. They're like 10, 20 bucks, and you can go from beginner to pro. So that is, something I wish I had when I started out in this space. So definitely check that out. Comment down below. How many DEGA have you accumulated? Some of you guys have a lot of rewards coming your way. So with that being said, we're going to keep it short and sweet. Got to wrap up some more content. Stay loose, my friends, and pick up a hardware wallet. We have links down in the description below. I've seen some affiliate money come in. So I have to hit a certain threshold. It's not much. But if you want to save up to 25%, pick one up. Cheers, everybody.